Like just this entire sequence of events. Let's play this back to the start. So you get Iron Man here. Jeff is hiding in a corner trying to cheese ult the team. Immediately point blank ults, gets everybody. Misses the Iron Man ult. Meanwhile, Doctor Strange sees this and is like, I gotta save my team. I'll put a port here and save him. Messes up the portal. Jeff jumps off the map, kills everyone. Skip forward 5 seconds. Go to the Hulk. Hulk respawns. Takes the portal straight into the pit, kills us.
Never miss.
This is so messed up, man. This is so messed up. Dude.